This is my 2011 Volkswagen Jetta Sportwagen. It's a TDI, the 2-liter common rail CJAA. I have a 2-inch leveling lift. They're just lift blocks. Got them on eBay. I currently have a 215/60/16 snow tire on it. It has a tune from MR Tunes, Martin over there, super good guy. Currently has a custom exhaust from my brother. It's a 3-inch turbo back to the stock muffler, and that's what I'll be demonstrating today. EGR delete and DPF, both cats, and I'll do a sound clip for you guys with the stock muffler because I'll be removing that and you'll hear both with the muffler and without. I realize there might be some questions, so for those interested, the car has 50,000 miles, or 57. I bought it with 50. The Stage 2 tune is supposed to put it at 170 wheel horsepower and 340 wheel torque. As far as accuracy, I'm not sure how accurate those numbers are. I have not dynoed the car yet. I don't know if I will. The clutch holds up just fine, stock clutch. I know that was something I was really scared of, and if you don't accelerate full throttle under 2,000 RPM, you won't get any sort of clutch slip or chatter, so just drive accordingly. It's not something I ever had an issue with because I don't drive it like I stole it. It's a TDI. It's nothing crazy. I don't expect to have to change the clutch anytime soon, and I have heard that a lot of other people have not, so if you want to go Stage 2 full deletes, you'll have no worries with your clutch. Yeah, that's it. It's, as far as mileage goes, I haven't had it enough to actually see a huge improvement. It seems like I'm getting quite a bit better, closer to 40, 42, 45, when I was getting hand calculated like 34, 35. So yeah, there's an improvement, but I can't verify just yet. So this is the next day. Last night we got the muffler delete completed. I ended up going with a double wall 3-inch dual stagger stainless steel tip. You can see the stagger matches the bumper perfectly. I kept it pretty conservative. I think my last Jetta had a 3.5 or 4-inch double tip. And this one I think definitely looks better. You can kind of see under there what we did with the little hanger. Nothing crazy, kind of made out of scrap parts and whatever we had around. Let me do a startup video for you guys. It's quite a bit louder, but it's still not loud. Inside you can hear it now. Before you couldn't hear it at all. And it is just enough sound, I think.